Brother, look how the air them bend. Man a fight for your life, them can't defend. Them sell dream from a suit and tie, but hunger still a lick down the poor man eye. Mama say, hold on, no let go, yeah. Truth is a seed and it can't forget. Plant it in a rock, it still reach sky. One day pain got to testify. Me hear it now the drum and the bass. And next world I come fi mash up disgrace. Judge no man by the chain pan him chest. Every soul got a fire now the chest. Liberation prophecy, I feed the weak and the hungry. Liberation prophecy, Babylon can't hold me. No, liberation prophecy, move with truth and humility. Liberation prophecy, Jah light a lead we home. Whole heap of noise from the market square, but wisdom there and now we daily bread. One heartbeat under different skin. Same old wound where the trouble walking. If you pick up hatred, you carry dead load. If you pick up love, it gon' widen the road. Me nah bow down, fi no borrowed crown. Kingdom stand when the liar fall down. So rise, little one, from the rubble and dust. Even iron gets sweet when it learns to rust. When the night get long and the suffering deep, still a vision keep watch while the people sleep. Liberation prophecy, I feed the weak and the hungry. Liberation prophecy, Babylon can't hold me. No, liberation prophecy, move with truth and humility. Liberation prophecy, Jah light and lead we home. Who build the wall can watch it crack. Who sell the lie can buy it back. One by one, the chains fall down. One by one, the last get found. Take back your mind, take back your name. Take back your fire, now feel no shame. This your road rough, but it all feel white when the humble ones stand on the righteous side. Liberation prophecy, I feed the weak and the hungry. Liberation prophecy, Babylon can't hold me. No, liberation prophecy, move with truth and humility. Liberation prophecy, Jah light a lead we home. So if you hear them whisper, say small. Tell them say the seed no fi stall. Then burst through storm, then touch the sun. I just begun. Rise out of the dust and strain. Jah put fire in your marrow and water fi wash the pain. Every chain got a story, every scar got a name. No bow to the night, my friend, like no born from shame. See the market full of hunger, see the mansion full of fear. One man laugh with empty pocket, one man cry with plenty air. But the river know the mountain, and the moon know the tide. So we walk with humble footsteps, and we keep the truth inside. Hold your head up, brethren, spread your head up high. If you fall, get up again, and tell the lie goodbye. See the city of the soil, and make your spirit wise. Rise, brethren, rise. Rise, brethren, rise. Just see every struggle and he hear every cry. No sell your soul for your quick goal. No trade peace for your pose. The man will know himself, yeah. Walk barefoot through the roads. Wisdom sweeter than sugar and stronger than the rope. When the false tongue start chatter, we just beat one drum. Hold your head up, brethren. Hold your head up true. What them build on sand today, tomorrow was true. So keep your heart like mountain, keep your word like stone. If you stand in righteousness, you never walk alone. Rise, brethren, rise. Rise, brethren, rise. Standing at the fire and make your spirit wise. Rise, brethren, rise. Rise, brethren, rise. Just see every struggle and hear every cry. When the night get wicked and the mind get thin, breathe in the promise, yeah. Let the calm come in. We no born for suffer silent. We're born for break the chain. From the first crack of morning to the last drop of rain. Listen up now, life now run pon luck. Every seed where you plant is the road where you cut. Make the hard road teach you, make the sore heart pray. When the rain them fall down, still the hills find way. Old man in the lane say, son hold firm, no shake. Full of love for the moment, wise one build no fake. If you want rise, rise slow. If you want live, no sell. Just put fire in a trial to refine your way. Wisdom for true, yeah. Wisdom for true. Hold your head high, brother. Wisdom for true. Wisdom for true, yeah. Wisdom for true. When the world get rough, make wisdom carry you. See the youth them wander, chasing shine all day. but the pot with no bottom soon run dry, me say. Big talk in a mouth, being little in a hand. Real power move quiet, like roots on the land. No beg, no crown fi validate, no bow to empty throat. A clean heart and firm step can build up a home. If you want rise, rise slow. If you want live, no self. Jah put fire in a trial to refine your way. Wisdom for true, yeah. Wisdom for true. Hold your head high, brother. Wisdom for true. Wisdom for true, yeah. Wisdom for true. When the world get rough, make wisdom carry you. Enough man sell out fast for a brass and a pretty face. But the moon still climb, but who making no race. So mind how your steps sis, mind how your chat fam. One good move in silence can outlast 10 grand. Wisdom for true, yeah. Wisdom for true. Hold your head high, brother. Wisdom for true. Wisdom for true, yeah. Wisdom for true. When the world get rough, make wisdom carry you. Them a chat enough nonsense, pure wicked ways. Them heart cold, stone cold, in a them dark days. Them a build up them wall, high, high, so tall. But the fire a burn low, gonna make them all fall. Hear the drum beat, feel the heat, justice flame, burning bright and true. Justice flame, for me and for you. Justice flame, chase the darkness away. Justice flame, come light up the day. Crumble down, hear the people them speak all over the town. No fear in our heart, no time for despair. We are playing new part, loving at it. Hear the drum beat, feel the heat. Justice flame, burning bright and true. Come light up the day. Oh. From the bush come the fire, from the ash come the gold. Where them colors and sorrow is a story things unfold. Every trial teach the brother, every tear water the root. When the Babylon get wicked, truth still bear the fruit. So walk good, my people, keep your head on high. The road may be rocky, but the mountain touch the sky. Say just see every struggle, every breadfruit season dry. Zion victory forever, forever, yeah, forever. Zion victory forever. We rise together. Forever, yeah, forever. Zion victory forever. Babylon can't seal that banner. No, no, never. On a search for riches, till the pocket turn to dust. But a clean heart and wise word is the only thing we trust. If you lost, come back homeward. If you're tired, rest your soul. One love keep the circle, one faith make you whole. So do good, my sister, keep your flame palm bright. When the night get heavy, still carry your light. Jah teach the humble how to turn pain into sight. Zion victory forever, forever, yeah, forever. Zion victory forever. We rise together. Forever, yeah, forever. Zion victory forever. Babylon can't seal that banner. No, no, never. Hear the elder upon the corner say, son, don't chase the breeze. Plant your feet in all the kindness, watch it grow like cedar trees. What them build on fear and scandal mice up in the storm. But the truth live longer, brethren, and the righteous stay warm. Zion victory forever, forever, yeah, forever. Zion victory forever. We rise together. Forever, yeah, forever. Zion victory forever. Babylon can't seal that banner. No, no, never. Yeah, man. I chanted from the heart. straight from the root. Oh God, me wake with the sun for me face. Better me no run from the race. So much noise in a Babylon place, but me keep calm, me keep grace. Every bruise tell a story star. Every scar prove who you are. If you fall, get up one more. Just light there right by the door. So me chant through the rough road. Me chant for the little picnic them. Me chant for the soul. When the night get long and the mind get cold, hold firm, let the truth unfold. Fire chant, burn down falls out now. Fire chant, live with spirit somehow. Fire chant, heart clean, foot strong. Fire chant, we a move all night long. Them sell dream in a paper clothes. Pretty words but them body froze. Me no bow for the empty show. Me follow the river where wisdom flow. Plant one seed, watch it grow. Share one meal, make the whole yard glow. Me not chase no borrowed crow. Me build me peace from underground. So me chant, when the road gets steep. Me chant for the one them hurt, me chant for the one them weak. Every mountain high still got roots so deep. Hold firm, Jah no let we sleep. Fire chant, burn down falls out now. Fire chant, live with spirit somehow. Fire chant, heart clean, foot strong. Fire chant, we a move all night long. If the world tell you can't tell it, watch me then. If them chain up the door, find the key again. Enough storm did come, but the tree still stand. Shoot like a drum beat rolling through the land. Fire chant, burn down falls out now. Fire chant, live with spirit somehow. Fire chant, heart clean, foot strong. Fire chant, we a move all night long. So me chant with love, so me chant with sense. So me chant for the meek and the ones in a suspense. Fire chanting, yeah man. Jah guide the steps. Oh now. Still me stand tall, stone in my chest but me nah go fall. Hear the old river, it keep on run. Teach the dry land and say work till the sun. Me read the palm lines, in a me hand every scar got a reason. Understand if life get heavy, me live it slow. Cause truth move quiet, but it grow. So me step with faith, one foot, one road. When the night get long, me strill, oh Lord, from the root to the sky. Watch my spirit rise. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. Call it loud, call it loud. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. Lift we up, lift we now. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. In our soul, yeah man. Sound of freedom, turn the chains all around. Them self feel like sugar pan tongue, but a false sweet thing make a weak man young. Me not chase glitter, me chase the light. Deep sea wisdom through the dark of night. Every brethren need a hand to hold. Every sister need room for grow. Jah put fire in a humble bone. Make weak tree bend, but it now brick stone and faith. 1 foot, 1 road when the crowd get loud. Me know me code from the root to the sky. Watch me spirit rise. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. Call it loud, call it loud. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. Lift we up, lift we now. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. In a soul, yeah man. Sound of freedom, turn the chains all around. No man hold my breath, no cage hold my song. Let the valley get cold, still me carry on. Cause a heart with purpose is a fire that stays. On the road to tomorrow, start right there today. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. Call it love, call it love. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. Lift we up, lift we now. Sound of freedom, sound of freedom. In our soul, in our sound, oh Lord. Sound of freedom, turn the chains all around. Walk good, walk strong. Keep your head high. Love be the armor, and truth be the guide. Whoa, oh. Them say my mind too wild, born with a rebel style. Now follow them blind guys. My own truth I compile. Them try to gauge me spirit, but it not go fit. Rebel from birth, yeah. Shake up the whole earth, yeah. Find me own worth, yeah. New world a rebirth, yeah. Rebel from birth, yeah. Shake up the whole earth, yeah. Find me own worth, yeah. New world a rebirth, yeah. motion where the word sharp like machete. Chant down then vanity.
Jah wake the sleeping man from the dust and the fear. Too much mouth, too much vanity, but the truth still clear. Make we walk with clean heart and a steady footstep. If you know yourself, brethren, you no lose your rep. Babylon built on greed, but it can't last long. Every crooked tower fall when the righteous sing song. Looking at the mirror, chill you who you really be. Not the chain, not the paint, is the spirit will set you free. It's a rise, rise, rise. Stand up and open your eyes. Prophets arise, rise, rise. Truth not dead, it's still alive. Arise. Jah call your name. Arise. Feel like the flame. Prophets arise, rise, rise. One love on the hills and plains. See the little picnic cry when the big man chat. Them mouth full of promise, but them heart full of trap. So we chant from the corner to the yard to the lane. Every humble word we carry is a medicine from pain. Now beg no man blessing if your hands can't plant. Take the seed, take the water, watch the dry ground chant. Wisdom no come from plenty, it come from the test. When the storm broke your ego, then you learn what best. So lift up, no fret, all your mates, all your ground. When the night get heavy, hear the drum go pound. Selassie sight the lowly and the meek get crowned. From the ashes and the sorrow, new roots grow down. Prophets arise, rise, rise. Stand up and open your eyes. Prophets arise, rise, rise. Truth not dead, it's still alive. Jah call your name. Feel like the flame. Prophets arise, rise, rise. One love on the hills and plains. No shame in the clay, even broken rivers find them way back to the bay. We no born for bow down, we born for learn and build with patience in the blood and courage in the will. Prophets arise, rise, rise. Stand up and open your eyes. Prophets arise, rise, rise. Truth not dead, it's still alive. Jah call your name. Prophets arise, rise, rise. One love on the hills and plains.
But them not know the real fact. Babylon system, it a crumble down slow. Through them militant lies and pure ego. Truth and rights, yeah, that's the way. Gonna shine bright like the midday. No more fictions, no more games. Just pure fire calling out them names. say, me sister, open your eyes, see the propaganda. Them a try to keep we in the dark, but the light of consciousness leave its mark. Truth and rights, yeah, that's the way. Gonna shine bright like the midday. No more fictions, no more game. Just pure fire calling out them names. From the ancient times, the elders did preach freedom and justice within our reach. We gotta stand tall, we gotta be strong, singing a freedom song on